I pretty much grew up on peanut butter. I would say at least 40% of my dad's diet is peanut butter on toast. And I've seen my sister crush a jar of organic peanut butter in a matter of days. And peanut butter rocks my West African peanut soup. Sweet potatoes are a staple in West African food, and they bring a really great sweetness to this soup. I always like to have some savory aromatics in my soups, but I also like to have a little bit of heat. And for that, I have a habanero. Beauty. And now for the star of my dish, peanuts. I'm just gonna pulse them a little bit because they'll add some really nice texture and volume to my soup. I'm using peanut oil because it's only appropriate. I'm gonna build some flavor by caramelizing my chicken a little bit. All right, the chicken's getting there. This sweet potato is gonna get so soft as it cooks. It's a really hearty soup. Every soup has a really good stock, and in order to help elevate my stock, I'm going to mix in some tomato paste, which will help my soup get really thick and velvety, and it'll also add a great sort of rich tang. It's a little bit hard to mix in, that's why I'm gonna mix it in a bowl first. I'm using chicken stock, but again, whatever stock you have on hand is totally great. The colors are already so beautiful. I really like to use kale in my soups because it's a really hearty vegetable and it holds up really well in soups. It doesn't fall apart. For some really nice crunchy texture, I'm gonna add in some of those peanuts I blitzed earlier. I'm gonna add some crunchy peanut butter, which is gonna really help thicken the soup and give it a really velvety texture. It smells really good in here. The stock has reduced down a little bit and all of those sweet potatoes have absorbed all of that flavor. My chicken is so tender and just falling apart. It's time to add my hearty kale. And last but not least, some fresh lime juice. I always like to add my lime juice at the very end. That way, it stays really bright and citrusy. It's so thick and velvety. The colors in this are beautiful. A few of my crushed peanuts for the top. Oh, first I'll add a little bit of cooling cilantro. It's really rich and smooth and creamy, but then you get a little bit of that heat from the habanero. West African peanut soup, one of my all-time favorites.